In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide tour packages in WP Travel Engine. This tutorial should guide you through the entire process, making it straightforward and easy to manage your tour packages effectively. Let's dive in and get you on the way to a more organized tour management system. First things first, let's log into your WordPress dashboard. Open up your web browser and navigate to your WordPress admin page by adding -wp admin to your domain address. This is the typical entry point to manage your website's content. Once there, enter your credentials to log in. Next up, we're going to create separate categories for your tour packages. This step is vital as it helps in grouping similar tour packages together, making it easier for potential customers to find what they're looking for. Look for the trips section in the dashboard and then head to trip types. Alternatively, you might also choose destinations or activities depending on how you wish to categorize your offerings. Now click on Add New Trip Type and decide on a category name that fits, like Adventure, Family, or Luxury, to name a few. Make sure you create all categories that apply to your offerings. Once you've got your category set, it's time to assign your trips to these categories. Head back to the Trips section and click on All Trips. Navigate to any trip that you'd like to edit, and you'll find a place to assign it to a category under Trip Type. Choose the category that aligns best with the trip's characteristics. This step ensures that each package is neatly placed under its respective category. Now that your trips are categorized, it's time to display them. You may want potential customers to view packages by category directly on your web page. To achieve this, create a new page and utilize WP Travel Engine shortcodes. Insert something like WP Travel Engine Trip Type Adventure. But remember to replace Adventure with the slug of your specific category. This shortcode is a powerful tool to feature only the trips you want under each category on specific pages. After inserting the shortcode, remember to update the page for the changes to take effect. Finally, let's integrate these categorized pages into your website's main menu for easy navigation. Go to the Appearance section and select Menus. Here you can add each of your category pages, such as Adventure or Family, to your main menu. This step is crucial as it ensures visitors can easily find the type of tours they are interested in with just a few clicks. Don't forget to save the menu once you're done adding the pages. And that's it! With these steps, your WP Travel Engine setup should be more organized, leading to a better customer experience. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master this tool.